Hello guys, welcome. Today we will learn assembly and joint in Fusion 360. In this video you will only able to watch how parts are assembled and given motion. If you want to see how parts are made, click on link below. Gear assemble in 6 steps. 1. Create base for gears and save the file. 2. Design gear 1 off module 2 mm and 16 nos of teeth. 3. Design gear 2 off module 2 mm and 20 nos of teeth. 4. Open a new file, import all the files. 5. Give joint between gear and base. 6. Apply motion link. Part 4 Assembly and joints. First of all, insert the base. Adjust component and click OK. Now, insert gear 1 in current design. Move and adjust it for clear view, then click OK. Go to Assembly and click on Joint. In Component 1 select Gear 1 Hub Inner Surface. In Motion you can select the type of motion. We will select Revolute. In Component 2 select Base Surface. Gear will move to position. Now adjust it using arrow. Using rotation you can rotate it. Click OK. You can see the flag at joint. Right click on it. Click on Drive Joint. You can drive it. In Edit, you can change surface, alignment and motion. From joint limit, motion can restrict in minimum and maximum position. Now, insert gear 2 in current design. Move and adjust it for clear view. Then click OK. From browser right-click on base component and click on ground. In Component 1 select Gear 1 Hub Inner Surface. In Component 2 select Base Surface. Gear will move to position. Now adjust it using arrow. Click OK. Now we have to give motion link between both gear. Adjust the gear mesh using Gear 2 Drive Joint. Now, go to Assemble and click on Motion Link. Select both gear joint with base. Gear 1 rotate 360 degree, then Gear 2 will rotate 288 degree. It can be calculated from teeth ratio. Click reverse checkbox, because both gear rotate in opposite direction. From Animate you can see animation. Click OK. Drive the Gear 1 joint. You can see Gear 2 will also rotate. Or, right-click on Gear 1 joint and select Animate Model. Assembly will start rotating. Gear assembly is ready with motion. Thank you for watching video. I hope you learned something new. If you like it, hit the like button. Subscribe the channel for more updates. Knowledge is key to success. See you next time with new video.